29th of December, and finally Mother Nature has given us a little bit of action. I think with everything that we're seeing, we're gonna have until next week with no rain in the forecast. Now we have the last of the foundation mats being poured over here, and I'm not going to show you this yet, but you can hear that great sound. That is actually sitting in concrete, 2 per hole, and you see the big red holes here. That is going to be what they call spread footing. You have them across the front, the sides, and the back of the building. That little spot right there is your building corner, and the orange lines are your actual physical building line itself. So you got all the guys from Hawkins Concrete Construction. They're tying our foundations, rebar mat. We have a mini excavator here. We have a mini excavator here. This is what that orange line looks like when you're digging down. The guys from Mazer are over here, and they're actually going to start doing the rough-in for our plumbing. Right here is where our bathroom group is going to be. We'll run it outside right there by the red. You're going to have your trench drain is all set up on site. Now, that green line that you see right there, that's actually the building line. That's how big these spread footings are for your building. Now, after all the water and the rain we've taken, you can't beat this. That right there that you see is just surface water leaching. Most of your ground underneath this, everything that we've done inside of this building property, huge amounts of number 3s. So for the 29th, here's what we're going to do. Today and tomorrow, we are going to excavate. We're going to continue watching weather. If the weather stays in our favor, we're going to open up the rest of it, and we'll pour all of the footings next week. We'll form for phase 2 of the footings, which is the second portion of them, and then we're going to pour this slab. The guys are going to do the rough in for the bathroom group. Then they're going to come in here in the next couple of days, and we're going to set your trench drain going down the center line of the building. After that, not really much else matters, because it's going to get worn out with the ability to apply every bit of pressure that we can to erect this building, clean the steel, and start getting this thing dried in. So for the 29th, Allegiant Construction, Hawkins Concrete Construction, Bubba from Mazer, Sluggo and the fellas, man, we're glad to be this kind of weather for January. We can't beat this. Tell us how it's going to go, Bubba.
Huh?
How is it going to go?
We're going to get inspection tomorrow on you.
Thanks, buddy.